and 1 plus tan square theta. And we know, I think 1 minus sin square theta is cos. I think we have done this already, right? And 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, which is cos square theta into sec can be written as 1 by cos square theta. These two should get cancelled and we get 1. Okay. The next one is here, cosec theta cot theta by 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta cot theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta. So let's write cosec theta cot theta as it is. Cosec theta cot theta and 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosec square theta. Now see this cosec and square is cancelled, so we get cot theta by cosec theta. Cot theta by cosec theta. Cot is cos theta by sin theta divided by cosec is 1 over sin theta. Yes, and this thing can be written as cos by sin into sin by cos. This is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta into sin theta divided by 1. This sin theta gets cancelled. Our answer is cos theta, right? Cos theta is the answer. Cos theta. Well, let's see one more question. And this one is asking you to simplify sec to power 4 theta. Okay, the next part is sec to power 4 theta minus 2 sec square theta tan square theta. Sec square theta tan square theta plus 10 to power 4 theta. This is part J. So if we look at carefully, it's like a squared minus 2ab plus b squared in that form. So this thing can be written as sec squared theta whole squared, which is a squared, minus 2 sec squared theta tan squared theta, which is minus 2ab, and plus 10 squared theta whole squared. We can write it like this, and which can be written as a, which is sec square theta, and minus b, that is tan square theta, and whole square of this. Little bit of algebra we used. And now sec square theta minus tan square theta, we know this identity, which is 1, and the square of 1. Answer is 1. So we get it. The next one is similar, but slightly different. It says 4 cosec square 2 theta, 4 cosec square 2 theta, cot square 2 theta. We need to simplify it. Okay. Let's see. Let's write it. So this one here. So next K part that says 4 times cosec square 2 theta. Cosec square 2 theta plus 4 cosec square 2 theta cot square 2 theta. 4 cosec square 2 theta cot square 2 theta. We can see 4 cosec square 2 theta can be taken common. So 4 cosec square 2 theta can be taken common. This is here also, here also. So from this part, 1 is left. We are actually factorizing it. And from the other part, cot square 2 theta is cot square 2 theta is left. Now this thing, 4 cosec square 2 theta is like this only, and 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosec square theta again. So inside bracket it is cosec square 2 theta. 1 plus cot is cosec. Cosec square, this become cosec to power 4. So this thing can be written as 4 cosec to power 4 and 2 theta. In place of the angle 2 theta will remain 2 theta only. So 4 cosec to power 4 2 theta. This is expression simplified in this way. So after this, we have few more questions here. Let's get back to the next question here. Cosec x is equal to k over cosec x. Given that this k greater than 1, find in term of k possible values of cot x. All right. So what we are given is cosec x is equal to k over cosec x. Let's write that first. So what we are given is cosec x is equal to k over cosec x. What does that mean? Question number 2. So cosec x is equal to k over 2. K is some constant. We can cross multiply and we will get cosec square x is equal to k. As simple as that. Now he is asking the value of cot x in terms of k, and we know the identity. What is that identity? 1 plus cot square. Now you can say 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x. From this, we can say cosec square. You want cot in terms of x, right? So cot square x is equal to cosec square x minus 1. And what is cot x? Cot x is square root of cosec square x minus 1. And we said the cosec x is k. Cosec square x is k. This means this would be under root of k minus 1. The value of cot x would be under root of k minus 1. We get this? Cot x would be under root of k minus 1. The next one, given cot x is equal to minus root 3 and 90 less than theta less than 180. If cot x is minus root 3 and it is in second quadrant, see 90 and 180, what should be theta? Find the exact values of sine theta and cos theta is asked. So let's see cot theta in second quadrant, and cot theta is equal to minus root 3. Can you find theta from there? Cot theta, I think you can see the PDF. Yes. So cot theta is equal to minus root 3. This means theta should be, where is cot theta root 3? Cot theta is root 3 for 30 degree. Okay. But it has to be in second quadrant. So 30 degree is in first quadrant. The other angle would be somewhere here, 30 degree. So theta would be 180 minus, this would be theta, 180 minus 30. So theta would be 150 degree. I hope you understand why we are taking 130, because cot is negative. In the first quadrant, cot cannot be negative. Everything is positive in first quadrant. So we take this angle between 90, also this angle between 90 and 180. So when we got theta is equal to 150, you can find sine 150 now easily. What is sine 150? A part. So our sine of 150 will become, can be written as sine of 180 minus 30, we can write. Sine of 180 minus 30, and sine of 180 minus 30 is sine theta, which would same as sine 30. And what is the sine 30? The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this value should be 1 by 2. Also, if calculator is allowed, you can directly put this value in the calculator and you can find sine 30 would be half. Means sine 150 would be half. And cos 150 also you can find, that would be root 3 by 2, but of course negative. Your cos of 150 degree would be negative of root 3 by 2. If you like, you can use this identity, or you can simply substitute this value in your calculator and you get the value. In case you want to do cos 150 also just like this, you will write cos, but there will come negative sign, that will become minus cos 30. Minus cos 30 means minus root 3 by 2. So we get the answer to the question number 3 also. The next one is tan theta is 3 by 4, and this, find the exact value. So, well, can you find theta between, this is in third quadrant, tan theta here, and as we know, in the first quadrant, both sine and cos are positive. In the unit circle, the first value represent cos theta, second value represents sine theta. Here, as we know, x coordinate is negative, y is positive, so it's minus plus. Here it is minus minus, and in the fourth one it is plus minus. This we already know about the coordinate system. Now if tan theta is in third quadrant, 180 and 270 means it's here. This is 180 degree, and this is 270. That means 10 should be positive, which is positive 3 by 4, and we need to find sec, cos, sine. Okay, I think we can use those trigonometric identities. I can say sec square theta. You could have used the trigonometric identity in question number 3 also. Just like this, I think you will get an idea how to do this question without using calculator, using this identity. Like we can say sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. And 1 plus tan square theta means 1 plus tan theta is given 3 by 4. And the square of this would be 9 by 16. And this will be 25 by 16. Yes. And then sec theta would be square root of 25 by 16. How much is square root of 25 by 16? It would be plus minus 5 by 4. As we know, sec theta is negative in this quadrant. So we will take as sec theta is, therefore sec theta is equal to minus 5 by 4. So we get the answer of the part A. Sec theta is minus 5 by 4. If sec theta is minus 5 by 4, we can find the value of tan theta also. Sorry, cos theta. Cos theta would be upside down 4 by 5, and of course negative, minus 4 by 5. And to find the value of sine theta, we can say sine theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Or you know this identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos is minus 4 by 5. So from here you can say sine square theta, and you square this minus 4 by 5 equal to 1. So you get sine square theta. This is 16 by 25. So I'll send that right. First it will become positive 16 by 25. And then if it goes to right, it is 16 by 25, which is 9 by 25. Which is 9 by 25. And to find sine theta, I'll find the square root of this. And I must write here. That means sine theta is equal to square root of 9 by 25, which should be plus minus 3 by 5. But sine theta is negative in this third quadrant. We are talking about third quadrant here, right? So our sine theta should be 3 by 5. The value of sine theta is, here I can write. Or maybe I can write just there. Therefore, sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. So we got the value of sine theta. Here, not that one. Actually, this is for question number 4. Sine of theta, this value, sine of theta for the question number 4 is 3 divided by 5. So we got the value of all sine theta, sec theta, cos theta. Yes. And it's easy to find using these identities. All right. So the next one we are given here, this one, cos theta is given, theta is reflex angle. Do you understand meaning of reflex angle? Acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex. So we're talking about this angle, more than 180 degree, right? Find exact value of tan theta. Now the cos theta is given positive, if you look at carefully. So cos theta is not positive in the third quadrant. This is x, this is y. So that means cos the theta has to be in fourth quadrant. For the cos theta to be positive, theta should be in fourth quadrant. It is more than 270, but less than 360. Right? Here we are. Not in third. Because it is positive. Now, if cos is given and we are asked 10 and we are asked cosec, I think for cos we can find sine because we know cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Can I write here? I know cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. And I'll put this value here. 24 by 25 square plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Square of 24 is 576, I guess. 576. Square of 25 is 625 plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So we get sine square theta is equal to 1 minus 576. 576 divided by 620. How much do we get? 625 minus this is 49 by 625, I guess. And this will give me sine theta is equal to 49 by 625 means plus minus, you can say 7 by 25. But since this is in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant, you know, the coordinate is like plus comma minus. So the second coordinate is sine, and this is always negative. So that means sine theta is negative of 7 over 25. Okay. You got the value of sine theta. Once I got sine theta, I have cos theta, I can find tan theta. Because we know tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. So we can write tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. The value is minus 7 by 25 divided by minus 7 by 25 divided by 24 by 25. 25, 25 get cancelled. We get minus of 7 by 24. This is sine theta. Okay. And this is tan theta. And they are asking cosec theta, which we already know because cosec is a reciprocal of sine. The second part, I may write it here, cosec theta b. So cosec theta would be equal to 25 divided by minus 7. So we get this as well. 5 is done. Right? Next, we have prove the following identities. Now, look at this. This question says sec to power 4 theta minus 10 to power 4 theta is same as sec square theta plus 10 square theta. So what you can do here is sec to power 4 minus 10 to power 4. We can use a square minus b square identity here, right? Let's take the question number 6. Let's say question number 6 and a part. Sec to power 4 can be written as sec square theta whole square. 10 to power 4 theta can be written as 10 square theta and whole square. 10 square theta whole square. Yes. Now a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b, right? Means a is sec square theta plus tan square theta, and a minus b is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Oh wow, we get the answer because the sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So we are getting sec square theta plus tan square theta into 1. And we get the answer is equal to sec square theta plus tan square theta. Sec square theta plus tan square theta, which is RHS. We started from LHS here, left hand side, and in just one step, 1 and 2 steps, we reach to the right hand side. So it's verified. We have proved that this thing is same as this thing. Sec to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta is same as sec square theta plus tan square theta. Is this fine? Well, we can take this one as well. Cosec square theta minus sin square theta is same as cot square theta plus cos square theta. Look, cosec can be written as let's take the left hand side of this first. Okay, cosec square theta, we have seen it a couple of times earlier also. Cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, and minus sin square theta. I started with the LHS. I didn't write the term. You can write the LHS, write the term here, cosec square theta minus, then write this. And let me write cot square theta first and plus 1 minus sin square theta. And look, this term 1 minus sin square theta is same as cos square theta. So that means cot square theta plus cos square theta. I'm sorry, this was in x, so every theta will change into x. So you will reach to the right hand side. You're all in place of theta, you can write x, and you have proved the second b part also, right? Cot square theta plus cos square theta. LHS and RHS are equal. Okay. Well,